So, you just bought your Nissan 350Z, and like most of us, it came only with one key fob, barely hanging from its dear life. Today, I'm programming a brand new one, key fob. Yes, fob, not to be confused with fresh off the boat. Although, ironically, this one kind of is. Just arrived, doesn't know how anything works, about to be thrown into a completely new environment and experience to lock doors, start the car, like it's always been there. Sounds about right. So, what you need, your Z car, of course, one working key fob, one fresh off the boat fob, your ignition key, fast hands, and a little bit of patience. This process is 90% timing and 10% did I just break my car? But don't worry, we got this. So first, make sure you're inside the car. Doors are closed, no distractions. Programming mode is just you and the Z, the way it's meant to be. So the process simply involves inserting the key into the ignition about, I think, 6 times. But before we do that, you have to make sure that the doors are locked. Okay, make sure they're locked. So yeah, as I was mentioning, you insert it 6 times. Then you go into I believe the hazard lights will flash. Then you put it in accessory mode, and then you press a button on the new key fob. And then if you have, you'll have to program your original key fob again if you want to keep it. You would unlock your door, lock it, and press the old fob. Three, 4, 5, 6. Then you unlock, lock, right, your old key fob. All right, to exit programming mode, you simply open the door. And now we'll test the key, the new fob. There you go. Speaking fluent Nissan. Old fob works. And there you have it. That's how you program a new key fob. Simple as that. The old one's a bit jealous, but it's fine. It's seen things. So now I've got a working spare. No dealer fees, no stress. Just me and my Zed and a formerly fob that's now part of the family. So if this video helped, throw me a like, maybe a subscribe, and let me know in the comments if your Zed refused to blink at you. It's kind of moody like that. Peace.